We up in the Philippines, any questions, all you do is ask. You can get it right from Sass in the Philippines. Sass in the Philippines, all you gotta do is use your passport, then you get a pass to the Philippines. Sass in the Philippines, all you gotta do is use your passport, then you get a pass to the Philippines.
Hey guys, it's me again. Samahan niyo ako magluto ng Ginisang Labanos. Of course, our ingredients are labanos, carrot, shrimp, garlic, tomato, onions, shrimp bouillon. I have stripped bacon in here, just one strip, olive oil, black pepper, pink salt, and fish sauce. Okay, let's go cooking. First thing we have to do is cut all these vegetables. We start with labanos or radish. Alright guys, we got all the ingredients already. Now we have to start sauteing all this vegetable. Alright guys, first thing we have to do is the strip bacon. I cut in small pieces. I'm not going to use the I'm not using the oil. Strike the oil. I use this bacon and render, and they're gonna have their own grease in here. Now we can add the garlic. And onion. Come on, onions. Now the tomato. And the patis. Probably 2 tablespoons. 1, 2. That's good. And we can go ahead put the black pepper. And the shrimp bouillon. Here we go. Then the shrimp. And we can cook the shrimp for 1 minute. Then after 1 minute, we will take it out so that it will not overcook. Then we're gonna put the labanos and the carrot. We're gonna cook the shrimp first, then we will remove it so that it will not overcook. We don't want to overcook the shrimp, because if you overcook it, it's gonna be like a rubbery. Now we can take it out the shrimp. Okay, now we can add the labanos and the carrot. Mix it. And we will add a little bit water, just enough to cook the carrot and the labanos or radish. And then let it cook for 5 minutes and we will come back for it. Alright guys, time to check. Five minutes up. Check if the carrot and the labanos is tender. Let's see. Let me try carrot first. Soft. How about the labanos? Well, it's soft. Now we can put it back our shrimp. Alright, now we can try the juice if we need some salt or pepper. Sweet from carrot. I think we need some black pepper. Black pepper. Alright guys, it's done. Hope you like this recipe. Very simple. Now we're gonna plate them. Here we go guys. Hope you like it. Enjoy. Till next time.
Just act sass in the Philippines.